So I've just picked up the campers from Zone. We're here with Andrew at Cruisemaster.
We're going to have a look at this today and check it out compared to the GVM kit that you've had it in. The thing which makes the Cruisemaster product what it is quality. We can machine our own stubs in-house and we machine our drums, so we can pretty much do whatever stud pattern you want. From there, we weld our arms in robot welders. That makes sure we get nice repeatable products every time and high accuracy of our welds. We've got some highly skilled guys up the back there who weld things like the stub axle in highly technical jigs to make sure everything's nice and accurate. It then goes into our warehouse where certain parts are selected, so different shock absorbers and different springs depending on the weight and the use of the van or camper trailer.
So as you know, we're about to do 8,000 kilometre journey right across the continent with this. So on a big trip, what is it specifically we should be checking along the way?
The relentless corrugations is the biggest danger factor when it comes to developing a product like this. Every couple of days, look underneath it, make sure that the bolts are tight. And we find it's generally a walk around every now and again just to make sure everything looks normal is all you need to do. We have two main off-road suspensions here at Cruisemaster, and each one of those is fitted to the Zone Expedition hybrid camper trailers. Cruisemaster XT is where it all started. That's our main off-road suspension here at Cruisemaster. We're now in its 5th generation and it's a highly polished product. Now, ATX is our premium off-road offering. It's been tuned with all the knowledge that we've generated over the years. Off-road racing technology in a caravan and camper trailer suspension, what more do you want? It's the best product out there. Also fitted to the Zone RVs or our DO35 coupling. That's in its 3rd generation now. We've recently changed some of the materials in it. It's even stronger and even more reliable than it's ever been. So it can handle anything you can throw at it.
So 2 weeks, 8,000 Ks, something goes wrong, what do we do?
In the unlikely event that that does happen, then we have over 40 service centres around the country. So we can send parts in, no problems at all. We've also recently started doing car stuff in here, so modifications, bull bars, GVMs, electrical work. We're really focusing on weight. There's an important thing in the industry at the moment. We want to make sure people are safe when they tow.
Well, we've just had the GVM upgraded. It's got new rear springs, new rear shocks. We'll see how it weighs.
Yeah, interested to see how it goes.
Yeah.
Looks like you're just right.
Should be right for the trip.
Yep, all looks good. Have a good trip and we're keen to see what your thoughts are when you get back. So the Zone RV Expedition series is a pretty top-notch product, and with Cruisemaster underneath it, we have got utter confidence it's going to be able to handle everything that the team throw at it.